Hello, it's Claire here. Today, our topic is the 3 hidden energy mistakes that affect your health, relationships, and success. If you feel tired all the time, struggling to focus, or stuck in a circle of exhaustion, it's not just stress, it's not just bad time management, it's an energy crisis. And what most people don't realize is that energy affects everything. Your health, because no energy means burnout and early illness. Your relationships, because no energy means you are distant and disconnected. Your success, because no energy means lost focus, poor decisions, and stalled income. If you don't fix your energy, it will cost you in ways you don't even realize. Here's the mistakes most people make. They think success is about working harder, being more disciplined, or managing time better. But time is useless if you don't have the energy to execute. And pushing through exhaustion doesn't make you stronger. It makes you weaker. Let's talk about health. If you are constantly tired, getting headache, or waking up exhausted, your body is already warning you that you are running on empty. Long term, that leads you to hormonal imbalances, stress-related illnesses, and chronic fatigue. Let's talk about relationships. When you have no energy left at the end of the day, what happens? You snap at your partner. You withdraw from your family. You have no patience, no excitement, and no emotional connections. Low energy doesn't just affect you, it affects the people you love. Let's talk about money and success. Look at the most successful people in the world. They don't just manage their time, they manage their energy. Because the sharper your mind, the better your decisions. The more energy you have, the faster you execute. The more focused you are, the more opportunities you create. If you are tired all the time, you are making weaker decisions, missing chances, and slowing down your success. So if you feel stuck right now, let me ask you, how much is low energy already costing you? How much has exhaustion already stolen from your health, your relationships, and your success? Because this is only getting worse if you don't deal with that. Burnout doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly until one day your body forces you to stop, and by then it's too late. But here's the good news. Energy isn't just something you have or you don't have. It's something you can build. It's something you can control. And once you learn how to manage it, everything changes. Your health improves. You feel clear, strong, and unstoppable. Your relationships thrive. You have the energy to connect, be present, and feel alive. Your success accelerates. You execute faster. You make better decisions and attract more opportunities. I teach a proven systems that mastering your energy so you can wake up feel powerful, sharp, and ready to perform. Sustain high performance without burning out. Create lasting success in your health, relationships, and career. And you can start right now. Join my free energy mastering webinar. I will show you the mistake people make and now how you can fix them. So click the link below to register now, because success shouldn't feel exhausting. Let's fix it together.